what's squeaking. That's really irritating. Whatever is squeaking, I need to destroy it quickly. So I didn't film this morning because I was doing random bits and pieces of framing, making sure all the pass-through framing was fixed to the walls. That took a long time, so didn't film that. Then I went to Lowe's. I got some bolts to make sure the top frame is bolted through the truck. This one is bolted all the way through the metal with every hole that was available. I filled out with the bolt. The bottom beam is screwed in, so that's all good. Confident that this isn't going to go anywhere now. I'm going to put in probably another 2 studs, some cross braces as well. Then I'm going to cut a door. Just going to be square 2x2s with maybe 1 stud in the middle, just to give it a little bit of rigidity. And then I'm going to bolt it. I'm going to bolt it to the plywood with these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's going to swing outwards. I have some weather stripping for outside of the door. And then I have a lock as well to make sure that I can, lock it. So that's my plan. I have almost built the door. It's still rubbing a little bit. I need to trim it, sand it. I don't have a plane, unfortunately. So I'm going to trim it and sand it tomorrow. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the remaining screws I have. I'm just going to screw it into the frame, treat it like a wall basically. I'm going to screw it into the frame as a temporary measure, put the plywood on the front as well, so that it's covered up from the elements. I may paint it. Probably not, it's going to get dark pretty much now. And then tomorrow morning I'm going to come back and unscrew it from the frame, fit it, and use it as a door. But I'm pretty confident overall about how sturdy this feels. I'm going to get wrapped up, but for now I am clocking out. So I did it. I built the world's jankiest door, which needs still some work, but it works. It opens and closes. Okay, so right now there's like only 2 screws holding this panel board onto the actual frame. The hinges themselves are bolted onto the plywood, not panel board, plywood. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach bolts to the hinges so they'll fit the frame, the one here, so that there will be bolts as well. And then obviously I need to screw in the plywood as well to make sure that that's attached properly and all that sort of stuff. It's still stiff, it's still sticking a little bit at the top, And obviously there's like fucking gaps here, but I have weather stripping and stuff that's gonna help with the bigger gaps. I'm gonna shave down these sticky bits here. And I put a locky bolt thingy on here. Right now, it's a door, it works, opens and closes, and feels secure. That's all I could really ask for at this point in time. There's some holes here from where I thought that I should put the hinges, but changed my mind. So I'm gonna fill in them as well, and then I can paint the outside door as well. So yeah, looks like an absolute piece of shit. However, it is a door, and it's the first door I've ever made. Considering that, it's a solid 3 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for effort, 3 out of 10 for execution. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this so it closes properly, and then I'm gonna go to the hardware store and make it more secure. There we go. Pouring down, done my wall, done my door. The floor is screwed in. It has extra framing. It is solid. I'm happy with it. I have tried to work as much as I could. I'm waiting for the rain to pass, but the rain is still going, so I'm just gonna get a taxi home because I don't even have a jacket, which sucks. Yeah, it is absolutely pouring down here. It's crazy. Tomorrow I have a lot of paid work that I have to do, but I'm considering taking a few hours to put in the walls. I may have to put in the walls tomorrow because I have 7 days as of today. 7 days. The sound of water dripping is freaking me out. I wasn't expecting to still be behind today, but I had to get the door finished and the wall secure. It is what it is. I'm gonna get some food, rest, and come back tomorrow. For now, I am clocking out.